Hello students. So now in this lecture we're gonna do the sums based on dice. As in the last lecture we saw the sums based on the coins. We saw three sums based on the coin. When a coin is tossed, when a single coin is tossed, when a two coin is tossed, when three coin is tossed, and even I had given one sum for practice also. Suppose if four coin is tossed simultaneously, so what will be the expected value and variance? How you can find the answer? So in the last lecture we saw basically all the sums based on coins, and in this lecture we'll see especially the sums based on dice only. And for dice we have two types of sum. One, when a dice is thrown, a dice means a single dice is thrown, and the second one when two dice is thrown. So when a dice is thrown you have to find the expected value, and if in case if this is that you have to find the variance and standard deviation also, then you have to find. And the second sum it is based on when a two dice is thrown, so and so question will be there, like you have to find the probability of getting so and so answer, and even you have to find the expected value and the variance for the particular question. As now for this question it says that you have to find the expected value as well as the variance of the x, where x is number obtaining on the uppermost face when a fair dice is thrown. It is clearly mentioned that you have to find the expected value and variance when a fair dice is thrown. Yes or no? So what is the formula for expected value and variance? I hope you all might be knowing the formula for expected value. That means E of x is what? Total of xi and pi. And for v of x is what? E of x square minus E of x the whole square. As I told in previous lecture also, whenever you have to find v of x, see to that without knowing the value of E of x square you cannot find the answer. So before this you have to find E of x square. So if E of x is total of xi, so E of x square will be your total of xi square into pi. And in the last lecture I had explained one more thing, that without the probability distribution table, yes or no, probability distribution function, that means a table, without the help of this we cannot able to find the answer of expected value, even the variance also, as we require the value of x as well as p of x. So the first our target will be what? We have to prepare a table which is known as PDF, probability distribution function, probability distribution table we can say. Without knowing this table we cannot find the answer for E of x and V of x. So remember this. So whenever the sum it is based on coin, or whenever the sum it is based on dice, without the PDF we cannot able to find the answer. So here it says that a fair dice is thrown. Okay, now remember, as we all know that when a fair dice is thrown, a fair dice, so the sample space will be what? When a dice is thrown, fair dice, a single die, the sample space we all know that it will be 1. On a dice it will appear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will be the n of s? It will be 6. Suppose we have to find the probability of getting 1 on the dice. So if you want to find the probability of getting 1 on the dice, so what is the formula to find probability? So as we all know that to find the probability, what is the formula? N of a upon n of s, yes or no? This is the formula to find the probability. So if it says that we have to find the probability of getting 1 on the dice, so of course the sample space will be 6, and 1 appear on the dice how many times? Only one time. Yes or no? So probability of getting 1 will be what? 1 by 6. If I say that probability of getting 2 on the dice, sample space will remain same. And if a fair dice is thrown, if a single dice is thrown, so probability of getting 2 on a dice, it will appear only one time. Yes or no? So here probability of getting 2 on a dice, it will appear only one time. So probability of getting 2 on a dice, answer will be 1 by 6 only. If I say probability of getting 3 on a dice, again the answer will be 1 by 6 only, because if a dice is thrown, the probability of getting 3 on a dice, it will appear only one time. The 3, each and every number on a dice, it will appear only one time, because a dice is thrown, a single dice is thrown. Whenever a single dice is thrown, the sample space will be same. But here, the probability of getting the answer for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it will be equiprobable. Equiprobable means what? The probability of each and every event will be same, because a single dice is thrown. When a single dice is thrown, probability of getting 1, that 1 will appear only one time. The probability of getting 2, that 2 will appear only one time on a dice when a dice is thrown. Yes or no? So in this way you will get the answer of probability of 1, probability of 2, 3. So first we'll see the range. So what will be the range of x? So the range, so here I can say the probability of getting 4, 5, for each and every case the answer will remain what? Same, as here a single dice is thrown. So what will be the value of x, the range of x? Can I say for this one the range of x will be what? On a dice, 1 will come, 2 will appear, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here we got the range 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here possibility for this, the range of x, it will not start from 0. It will not start from 0. Why? Because on a dice we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We cannot see 0 on a dice, or 0 appear on a dice. Okay, so remember, so for this sum, the possibility, the range of x will start from 1 when a dice is thrown. Remember, when a dice is thrown, a single dice is thrown, the range will start from 1. It will not start from 0. But when you will see the previous sum, as we did the sums based on the coins, the possibility of the range of the x, it always start from zeros. Yes or no? 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, because there we have to find the probability of getting heads appear on a coin. So suppose a two coin is toss, so you will get 2 head on a coin. Either you will get only 1, or you will get no head on a coin. So that means there the possibility, there the range of the x will start from 0. So that you have to guess, the proper guessing should be there. If you change the value of x, if you start the value of x from 0, 1, 2, 3, of course the final answer of expected value in the variance you will get wrong. That is a common sense, because uh, if you change the range and the probability, okay, sometime you will get the answer wrong only. Yes or no? So please be careful while writing the range for coin, for dice. Okay, now in the next sum we'll see when a 2 dice is thrown, so what will be the range? It depends on the question what it says. That as here we have to find the expected value and the variance for the x. So first we'll find the value of x. The range of the x for this sum will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understood? Now we have to find the probability. Just now only we saw for each and every case, for each and every event, when you will see getting the probability of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for each and every event, the probability will be equal. Because the formula for probability is what? N of A upon N of S. So for particular event, probability of getting 1, so 1 will appear only one time. Probability of getting 2, 2 will only appear only one time on a dice, and the sample space will be same. So for each and every event, the probability will be same. So here I can say that the answer for each and every event, the probability will be same: 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, and 1 by 6. Understood? Okay, so let's start framing the step now. So first step, you will write what, let, will take S as a fair die is thrown. So the sample space will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here we can say n of s will be what? 6. Now we'll take x as what? Number obtained on uppermost face of die. Okay. After this we'll write the range of x. As for this sum, the range of x, remember it will start from 1 only. We cannot see 0 on a dice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we can say the required PDF will be what? X and P of x. X range is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So your probability of getting 1 on a die, it will be what? 1 by 6. This will be what? 1 by 6. For this also it is 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, and 1 by 6. Understood? Got the point? Okay. So if you want, you can write this step directly, or else you can show this 6 steps. You can write the probability of getting 1 on a die. So therefore P of x equals to 1 equal to 1 by 6. The probability of getting 2 on a dice, so P of x equals to 2 equal to 1 by 6. You can show this 6 step, and then after that you can say that the required PDF is so and so. If you want, either you can write the required PDF directly also. Okay. So in the exam, if you feel that if you want to mention this step also, you can mention. So now after this, as we got the value of x and P of x, so now we'll prepare a table. Before this we'll write let x be xi and P of x be pi. Yes or no? So xi, pi, xi, pi, xi square into pi. Yes or no? As I hope you all might be knowing how to construct a table whenever we have to find expected value and variance. The range for x is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. P of x is what? For each and every event, the probability it is same. We are getting the equal probability, as here I had explained everything about how you are getting the answer of P of x. So xi pi, so you will multiply this. So here you will get what? 1 by 6. This will be what? 2 by 6. This will be what? 3 by 6. This section will be what? 4 by 6. Here 5 by 6. Here 6 by 6. Yes or no? As here we can cancel this number. Here also we can cancel, as both are even number. Even number, 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 by 3, 6 and 6. It will be 1. But don't cancel the number, because as I explained in many lectures, that whenever we have the denominator same, so it will be easy for us to add the numerator number. So don't cancel the number, keep as it is. Okay, when you will multiply and you will write in the column number xi pi, see to it that don't cancel the number, don't reduce the number, keep the number as it is. So next is what? Xi square. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 is 25 and 6 square is 36. Okay, so after this, the last column, we have to multiply this two column to get the last column answer. So 1 by 6 into 1 is 1 by 6, 1 by 6 into 4 is 4 by 6, this is what? 9 by 6, 16 by 6, 20 by 5 by 6. Yes or no? And this will be 36 by 6. Understood? Again same here also we can reduce the number, but keep as it is. After that we have to find the total of this two. So the first one is what? We have to find expected value. So expected value, total of xi and pi, it means we have to add the third column. So 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6 and 6 by 6. So here the denominator is same in all the cases. So we add the numerator. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So the result will be what? 6, 5, 11, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So here we are getting 21 by 6. Yes or no? So here we can reduce the number now. 3 sevens are 3 twos are, so 7 by 2. The final answer will be what? 3 by 5. So here we got the first answer, that is expected value. Understood? So answer will be what? 3.5. Yes or no? Okay. So now we'll see how to find the variance. To find the variance, before that we have to find e of x square. So the formula is total of xi square into pi. So we'll add the last column to get the answer. 1 by 6, 4 by 6, 9 by 6, 16 by 6, 25 by 6 and 36 by 6. Again same, the denominator is same. So numerator will be what? 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 36. Yes or no? Okay. So here, so when you will add this 1 plus 4 plus 9, 10, 14. Yes or no? So 16, 36, 25, 36, 91 here you will get by 6. Okay. So if you want, you can reduce the number. Okay, reduce the number, or else directly you can divide this number to get the answer. Okay, so when you will divide this number, so 6 15s are, it is 90, so 15.17 will be the answer. Okay, as you will get 15.1, 15.16666 recurring number you will get. So we'll write 15 will take up to 2 decimal place, so here we'll write 15.17 as an answer, because here after 6 here we are getting the recurring number. So divide and check if you want to check the answer whether it is correct or not. So here we are getting 15.7 as the answer. So now with the last part, as we have to find the variance. So v of x is what? E of x square minus e of x the whole square. So the answer is what? 15.17 minus, here we got 3.5. So 3.5 and square it is there. So 15.17 minus 3.5 square, that means 35 square. So 35 into 35. Okay, so here you will get 12 5 25. So here you will get 1225 as the answer, as the decimal will lies here after unit tens place. Okay, so the answer will be what? 12.25 for 35 square. When you will multiply 35 into 35, you will get 1225, as here we have decimal after two place. So here the answer will be 12.25. So now the final step will be what? You have to subtract this two number, yes or no? So you have to subtract this two number to get the final answer. So 15 7 minus 5 2 9 15 2. So it will be what? 2.92. Okay, so here we got the final answer of variance also. As clearly we can see that in the question it said that we have to find only the expected value and the variance of the x when x is the number obtained on the uppermost face. So here on the uppermost face, the range of the x will appear as 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you want, you can present this step in the board exam for the presentation part, or else directly you write the required PDF. As I told, without knowing this, the value of x and p of x, we cannot able to find the required answer of expected value and the variance. As now here the total, here we got 3.5, and for variance, sorry, expected value of x square, it is 91 upon 6, मतलब 15.17. With the help of this 2 we got e of x, then after that e of x square, and the final result was the variance. Okay, suppose if this question is replaced, that means find expected value and the variance of x is replaced by find standard deviation of x. Directly find standard deviation of x, so and so question. The rest part it is same. If it says that you have to find the standard deviation of x, as we all know that if you want to find the standard deviation of x, what is the formula? It is v of x. So without knowing the v of x, we cannot find standard deviation, and to find v of x we required e of x square, and to find e of x square we required e of x. So in simple language, whenever the question it comes in the exam, like to find the standard deviation of x, see to it that you have to find the whole and sole thing. First you will find e of x, then e of x square, then b of x. After getting the answer of v of x only, you can find your standard deviation. As here when you will put the value 2.92, as I told in the last lecture also, you can find your answer by two ways: one by log table, or second by using the division method. Yes or no? Got the point? So sometime it will happen in the board exam, it will says that you have to find the standard deviation of x. In place of expected value and variance, they will give standard deviation of x. So remember, to find the standard deviation of x, again the sum will be same as it is. First this part, then the required PDF, this e of x square, v of x, so and so, all the things you have to find. And after the final step, because the final step is what? The standard deviation of x. Without knowing the v of x, we cannot able to find the answer. So I hope you all understood the sum number one based on when a dice is thrown, and when a dice is thrown, how to find the expected value as well as the variance. So again I will explain the sum, and after this we'll see one sum based on when a two dice is thrown. As the first step, you will start writing sample space, then the range of x, And as I told, for coin the range of x will be what, and the for dice it is what, it depends on the question. You must know how to prepare the range of x. Without this range of x, don't proceed the sum further. If your range of x is perfect, you will get the perfect answer. Okay, so for this question, as the range of x start from 1 2 3 4 5 6, so the required pdf is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and p of x, why for each and every event it is 1 upon 6? Because a dice is thrown, a single dice is thrown. So when a single dice is thrown, one that particular number will appear only one time on a dice. So 1 1 1 will become, yeah, 1 will come in the numerator, as a particular number will appear only one time. And what about 6? This is the n of s, because the formula for p of x, probability of x, it will be what, n of a upon n of s. With respect to this, we got this all the six answer. Understood? So I hope you all understood the first sum. So let's move on to the next sum based on when a two dice is thrown, and how to find the expected value and the variance, or else standard deviation also.